Games.com with me, Mansi, and as always, we have a great game to review. You're absolutely going to love this game if board nights and game nights is what you love playing. This game is for adults and children all the way up from 8 to 10 years old, all the way up to adults. So it's an absolute fun game, and it is Think Fun's Word Around. It can have more than 2 players playing, and what is very interesting about this game is that it is spontaneity, it is spellings, it is words, it's vocabulary, and of course social skills where you learn to win some and lose some. So here is how you would play. You keep the deck of cards right in the center. The first player starts, and he starts with the outermost rim. And if you see the card here, if you see all the words here, the outermost rim, which is black, has improves. He puts the card down, and the color card is red. The facing back is red. So all the players have to guess the word which is written in the red rim. So here the word is N-A-T-U-R-E, nature. So whoever says this first gets to keep the card. The player who collects 10 cards first is the winner of the game. So that is essentially the goal of your game, to collect 10 cards first. Now you place this down and you have a blue background, right? So you have to guess the word from the blue rim. So you go cow, C-O-W-B-O-Y. So that's cowboy. You turn this around and you get a black again. So now all the players have to guess a word from the outermost rim, which is your black rim. So here you have the word pyramid. Then you move on, you get a black one again. Similarly, all the players will now guess again from the black rim. So this is how the game goes on. It is available at all leading online retailers. We got this from Amazon.in. So if you like it, you could shop for it too. What is also interesting is that I think it's priced at about rupees 1,049. It's easy to carry, very portable, and it's a great game to carry while you're traveling.